katubadde makati bana basajja bagala tukola bikolobero tubadde twagala tubadde makati temubakiriza kuyisa
abakatugattako embeera si ya mulembe president tali safe president tali safe yembeera eriwo abali ku the updates on the page president tali safe at all president tali safe at all president is not safe at all is not safe at all so abakatugattako tugezaako kubeera nga tukwasaganya ensonga Sky Soldier kwali nange kwendi tulina camera 1 ne camera 2 camera 2 is a missed update kwendi ate camera 1 kuliko Sky Soldier naye agambye nti omuliro guyinza okumugwako mu ngeri y'emu oba endala so tugezaako okulaba nga tubaweereza updates yonna egenda maaso. Our president is not safe, our president is not safe. So embeera Allah yamanyi, Allah yasinga okumanya sajja bano tulemeddwa okumanya kiki ekigenderwa kyabwe. So tulinako kamera 2, kamera 1 eriko Sky Soldier ate kamera 2 eriko Mr. Update. So mbeera si ya mulembe. Free our president, 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 free our president. Mr. Update amaziga mpulira gagala kumpitamu olw'ensonga nti muganda waffe Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu embeera gy'alimu si nnungi n'omulundi ogumu. Wabanga Mr. Update is not yet arrested. Era ekyo ekiringa ekiriwo okwaresitinga mu mutegeera kutya baganda bange. Omuntu atabeera free Segirinya kentudde wano wabajja ne bansalako ne baŋŋamba Segirinya kati obudde buno naffe tukuirako obuvunaanyizibwa, you can't move. Kitegeeza ndi baba bankutte kibaita arrest. Tekitegeeza nti kukwata muntu ne bamuteeka ku mpingu ne bamukuba kabangali nti kukwata ne kuno era kuba kukwata. Kye mulina okumanya omuntu bw'atuuka mu mbeera nga tali free, omuntu bw'atuuka mu mbeera nga tali free nga ali under attack tukitwala nga ku arrestinga. Kye mulina okubeera nga mumanya. President waffe bulijjo tujja nemba wa update ne bagamba nti our president is safe. Kitegeeza abamaze n'okufuna wasula nga n'akookulya afunye era nezijja ne bategeeza nti ali safe. Ne kati sobola kukyogera nti ali safe nga tali. Kye mulina okumanya baganda bange, kye mulina okumanya, mwagala tushuga coating ekintu kati mwagala twogere tutya. Tali safe, tali safe. Mwe mulina okubeera nga mumanya mu ngeri emu oba mu ngeri endala. Nolwekyo tusaba abantu bano baleke president waffe abeere free. Buli omuntu watabeera free aba ali under arrest. Ekyo kye mulina okubeera nga mumanya. So embeera bwetyo bweri mu kiseera kino. Baddidde abaana bonna abasinga babadde bamwetoolodde, ba bodyguards be baani bonna baba arrestinze, bonna babakutte ne babateeka ku kabangali ne babatwala. So president n'abanga asigadde mu bbanga mu kiseera kino naye agamba nange seeyongerayo yonna gye mweziza okuggyako ng'abaana bange bemukutte bonna bali free. Oba kiraba kyengezaako okubeera nga mbagamba abali ku the updates online page. Lwekyo embeera si ya mulembe, mbeera ya nnaku nnyo. So our president is not safe. Kimulina okubeera nga mumanya. Tusaba Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala abenga asobola okubeera nga president waffe amuyisa mu mbeera eno mu kaseera kano akazibu. Okuva ku makya ssaawa 4 ez'okumakya up to now president wa Uganda addako tannaba kwetaaya. Ekyo nkiyita ekyokusaaga. Omuntu okuva ssaawa 4 ez'okumakya tannafuna kyakulya, tannafuna kyakunywa, bamukwatidde kugamba nga bonoogamba nti omuntu kambawo ekyokulabirako. Abamanyi Mugundi, abamanyi Kayunga gye balemesa Ssaabasajja Kabaka okugenda mu ssaza lye, mumanyi awo we balemesa awo Ssaabasajja Kabaka awo we bagambira awo nti wali yeeyongerayo awo eno mazzi n'eno mazzi bagamba teweeyongere, todda mu maaso todda mabega. Kati buli lwobeera mu mbeera bwetyo kitegeeza oba toli safe. Kati president waffe ba arrestinze abaana bonna baba arrestinze bonna, kandi magini abaana bonna baba arrestinze bonna abasinga obungi n'asigala ng'ali mu bbanga. Kati agamba abaana bange babakutte kiki baagala okuzzaako. Kyobalaba agambe nange seeyongerayo unless ng'abaana abo mubatadde bonna babakutte. Kumakya baagenda ne bakwata abaana, bannamawulire babakubye, babasosesose, kamera z'abaana bazaasizza, kamera z'abaana bazaasizza. Eyo embeera teri normal, it is abnormal situation. Buli lwobeera mu abnormal situation tetuyinza kugamba nti oli safe. Ekyo temulina okumanya, tetuyinza kugamba nti oli safe. nze mbagee president waffe bw'abeera safe era bu update nze mbubawa ne bagamba nti is now safe ng'afunye n'ekyeggulo era nga yeebase oba okiraba kyengezaako bagamba but right now is not safe, is not safe, is not safe. Right now our president is not safe. So yembeera eriwo abali ku the updates online page okuva ku makya bamukutte bamuwambye. Abantu baffe abasinga balowooza nti okukwata kwe kujja omuntu ewantu ne bamutwala mu kaduukulu ne bamuggalira, n'omuntu okujja nagamba teweeyongerayo wabula beera wano tovaawo ekunako kubakwata bambi kye mulina okubeera nga mumanya abangoberera wano ku the updates online page. Kati mbeegayiridde mwenna abaliko musharinge live video eno njagala egende viral ensi yonna etegere what is going on our next president of the Republic of Uganda. Buli muntu njagala ategeere kiki ekigenda maaso. I call upon the international community, I call upon CNN, Al Jazeera. This is no longer campaigns. This is no longer campaigns because we are experiencing the brutality of the highest order. You can't believe a presidential candidate who was duly nominated to contest as a president of the Republic of Uganda to be treated like a chicken thief. It's totally absurd. It is totally unfair. Last time we visited Mr. Byabakama, we talked about many things and we raised our issues, and the most fundamental issue was police brutality. We thought Mr. Byabakama is going to be in charge of these elections, but he's no longer in charge of these elections. Mr. Byabakama tumulaba bulabi kati ye aliwo nga kifaananyi, but someone else is now controlling the elections, which is totally absurd, which is totally unfair. Because Byabakama singa abadde ne powers nga yategeka akalulu yandibadde yavuddeyo nagamba no kyemukola ku presidential candidate eyali duly nominated eyapresentinga emikono eyapresentinga academic documents najja ne tumunominatinga. Right now temuyinza muyisa bwe mutyo, but as we talk now our president is not safe. So we should demand immediate release. We should demand unconditional release of our next president of the Republic of Uganda. So I call upon the international community, I call upon Al Jazeera, I call upon CNN, International Human Rights Commission, Uganda Human Rights Commission. It is your time now to say something. It is your time to take over, because this is no longer a presidential campaign. We are now experiencing what we call reign of terror, massive killing and suffering of people due to political instabilities. And those instabilities has been caused by the regime. The regime has created these instabilities in order to do something to our president, which is not in order. So we should demand immediate release of our president. So now what is going on? Our president is not safe at all. So we call upon the international community, we call upon Al Jazeera, we call upon CNN, we call upon International Human Rights Commission that the next president of the Republic of Uganda is not safe. So you should come and say something. You should come and raise some issues about what is going on in Uganda. I think you can remember very well that even America made a statement about brutality in Uganda. And they have sanctioned some of the top officials in the police. Frank Amwera was sanctioned. So it's totally absurd. It's totally unfair. We should demand the immediate release of our president. I'm telling you, this is reality. This is reality. The last time we met Byabakama, we talked about many things and we raised our concerns about these elections, these presidential elections. We talked about many things, and Byabakama promised us that these things, they are no longer going to happen again. But you see what is going on. Mr. Byabakama, you should come and tell the police, tell the government that if we are in an election, they should respect our presidential candidate. But what is we are experiencing right now, it is reign of terror, massive killing and suffering of people due to political instabilities. Many people have been arrested since the morning. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? How can you brutalize a journalist? How can you brutalize a journalist? One of our comrades, that's none other than John Cliff Wamala, was badly beaten was badly beaten. Our brother John Cliff Wamala. I've posted even the pics on my page. I think you can follow them. So I call upon all people to share this live video. Me, I can't sleep, Mr. Update, because this is an abnormal situation. This is no longer a presidential campaign. It's now a war. It's now a war. And that's what we asked Mr. Byabakama. We wanted yes or no. That are we in war or we are in the presidential campaigns? Mr. Byabakama told us that we are in presidential campaigns. So we decided to raise our concerns, and Mr. Byabakama promised us many things. But even right now, nothing has been taking place as we talk now. So it's quite unfair, it's quite absurd. Even someone to be psychologically tortured, it is a crime, I'm telling you. Psychologically tortured. Since the morning, our president has been under detention. So it's totally unfair. That's why even I've decided to use English for the benefit of Senyen, for the benefit of international community, for the benefit of International Human Rights Commission. So, Human Rights Commission, they should come and say something. If not, let Mr. Byabakama declare a state of emergency, because we are now at war. This is no longer an election. This is a war. I'm telling you, this is a war. Because we know Mr. Museveni's plans, we want to declare a state of emergency. That is easy plans, and we are aware about that. I'm telling you, we want to declare a state of emergency. That is his plan. That is his intention. Because he is aware that Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu is going to win this election with 98%. 98%. Because majority of Ugandans, they are demanding for change. They are demanding for peaceful transition of power, and is aware. And is aware, I'm telling you, Mr. Museveni is aware that all Ugandans now, they are demanding for change. That's why he's using excessive force to someone who doesn't even hold a spear. Because for we as NUP, the only weapon we have is to tell the public the truth. That is our weapon. That's the only weapon we have. But for them, they have guns, they have what? They have everything. But for us, we have the truth. And we shall continue saying the truth. We shall continue teaching people what is going on in Uganda. People should participate in free and fair election. People should participate in peaceful transition of power. So the time is now. The time is now to take over this dictatorial regime of Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. I'm telling you, this is our time. That's why the regime is in panic, because they are aware that majority of Ugandans, they are yearning for change. That's why the regime is in panic. We've been following the presidential election for the past previous years, but this is beyond, I'm telling you. This is beyond. So I call upon international community that you should come and take over. You should come and say something. You should, because we've been raising our concerns. Many of our people have been arrested. They're now in police custody. Unlawfully. I'm telling you. Unlawfully. So it's totally unfair. It's quite absurd. A duly nominated candidate to be arrested like a chicken thief. It's totally absurd, I'm telling you. How can you stop someone to sleep in an hotel? You book an hotel, then they come and say, no, you are not supposed to sleep in this hotel. Are we still in an election? Is this free and fair election? So we are demanding for justice. We are demanding for justice. Free Uganda. Free Uganda. So that's why today, Mr. Update, I've decided even to use English for the betterment, for the benefit of international media, International Human Rights Commission, so that they can come and take over. But it is totally unfair. It is totally absurd. Mr. Byabakama, you are now on trying moment, Mr. Byabakama. You should come and say something, Mr. Byabakama, I'm telling you. Rather than Mr. Byabakama wrote a letter summoning our president that on Monday is supposed to appear at the EC, that he has failed it fulfill the SOPs. Can you imagine? We as NUP, we are complaining about brutality. For you are talking about SOPs. Can you imagine? Can you imagine, Mr. Byabakama? We are talking about brutality. Many of our people have been killed, I'm telling you. Many of our comrades in struggle, they are under police custody. They are under police detention. For you are talking about SOPs. Can you imagine? And you've invited our president that on Monday you've summoned him, that he has neglected the SOPs. Last time we came there, you told us that you are no longer on Facebook, that your TV was disconnected 2 months back. Can you imagine? Can the uninformed lawyer, can the uninformed magistrate made such a statement? Can you make such a statement that is no longer on social media, that his DSTV was disconnected 2 months back? Now, how do you know that Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu is not following the SOPs, is not respecting the SOPs when you are not on social media and your TV was disconnected? Simple logic. Simple logic. Mr. Byabakama, stop dancing on the tunes of Ugandans. I'm telling you, this is an informed generation. This is an informed generation. The generation of before is not the generation of today. We are very, 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 very much informed due to social media. Many people are very informed. I'm telling you. You came and made a statement that you are no longer on social media and you are not following what is going on. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? That is not on social media. His TV was disconnected 2 months back. Can you make such a statement? An informed lawyer? A magistrate? It's totally unfair. So I call upon international community, I call upon CNN, I call upon Al Jazeera that our president is not safe at all. We know that Mr. Museveni, his plan is to declare a state of emergency. That is his plans. Because he can't manage these elections. I'm telling you, they can't manage. They can't manage. They can't manage. So tetuli basanyufu nembera egenda maso. Tetuli basanyufu nembera egenda maso. Olwokuba nti we are not safe at all. Abana baffe babasibye, abana baffe babakutte. Abasajja bano beeswazizza nnyo, beerabisizza nnyo. Wamukitegeera, beerabisizza nnyo. Nolwekyo kyetuliko okulaba nga our president abeera free. Our president abeera free. Miro Kalwero Lufula ogambye we are with you. Mr. Apple, thank you so much. Abantu ba Kalwero Lufula, ero nange nkwagala nnyo. Can you imagine? Nolwekyo twetaaga okulaba nga president waffe abeera free. Batubuulire, tetuli mu kalulu nti ffe mutugambe, tetuli mu kalulu, tetujja bakayaya akalulu kyetumanyi mwagala kukasazaamu, kyetukibatuddemu. Mukimanyi tugenda mupiira guno tugenda gubawangula. Naye Museveni abadde ategeka omupiira nga ye Alpha and Omega nga yaguwangula. This time round twaleese omusajja Njasabigu bamuyita Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Tamuyinaako control. Banange musheyalinga abali ku live video eno. Musheyalinge abali ku live video eno. Bane kino tekiriyo ekigenda mu maaso. Tekiriyo. Omusajja ne mumubonyabonya okutuuka ku sseeryo. Ndoza mwalabye Patricia Namyalo Service Club. Thank you so much for watching. Happening now, our president is not safe, my sister Patricia Namyalo. So you should tag our senators. I think my sister Patricia Namyalo, you have the contacts of the senators. Contact the senators that what is going on in Uganda, this is not a free and fair elections. This is a war. This is not an election. It is a war. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And that's the reason why we visited Mr. Byabakama. We wanted yes or no. Are we in any elections or we are at war? Mr. Byabakama made a statement that we are in an election. But we made some requests and he promised that he will fulfill those requests. But nothing has been done so far. But we are now experiencing brutality, not only to our comrades in the struggle, but even our president. Can you imagine? Can you imagine?